Hello, thank you for joining me. It's Natasha, and well, if you know me, I'm a huge fan of boxes, and today I want to share with you another box that I made. And I think all my boxes have been inspired by the queen of boxes, Sam from Poodle's Paper Crafts, and I will leave the link to her channel and to her tutorial in the description below. So today we'll make a box which is 4 inches by 4 inches or 10 by 10 centimeters and 2 inches tall or 5 centimeters tall. So it's a really nice box, but what is fun about it and what's great about it, it has a reinforced lid. You know, sometimes when you make lid from paper, it can be a little bit flimsy and the edges can be, you know, a little bit not sturdy enough. But what's great about this box that it has reinforced lid and it fits perfectly on your base, which is made from cardstock. And it's just a great little box. So I'll show you how to make this box. It's really easy to make, and I'll also show you a couple ways to decorate boxes. So okay, let's jump right in. You need 2 pieces of paper. You need cardstock for the base. It is 7 7/8 by 7 7/8 inches or 19.7 by 19.7 centimeters. And for the lid, you will need a piece of paper. You can use patterned paper or just a thinner cardstock. So I'm using quite thin cardstock for this, and it is 7 by 7 inches or 18 by 18 centimeters. All right, let's do the base first because it's the easiest part, and I will leave a link. Okay, let's first to scoring. So you need to score your base on all 4 sides at 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Okay, while I'm doing this, I will tell you that I have already shared a couple box videos on my YouTube channel, and I'll make sure that I leave a link to these videos in the end of this one or below the video. So if you haven't seen them yet, so make sure to check them. Okay, so we score it at all inches on all 4 sides. Then let's fold and burnish. So the base is really easy to make. It's just the usual box, no rocket science here. Okay, so now we'll cut and notch a little bit. So you cut off this little sort of triangle, so this way this step will fit nicer. Okay. So we do the same on all 4 sides, obviously. Okay. The last one. Okay, so now we need just to apply adhesive. I'll use my ATG, which is not probably the best, but I've run out of small, oh my god, it's completely escaped me. What's the name of this? Okay, so now we just... Okay, so our base is ready. Let's put it aside and let's make the lid, which is a little bit more interesting to make. Okay, so it is 7 by 7 inches or 18 by 18 centimeters, and we need to score it again on all 4 sides at 1/2 inch and 1.5. So 1/2 inch and 1.5. So this 1/2 inch flap will actually create the reinforcement for our lid. Okay. Okay, have I scored it correctly? Yeah, just first. Okay, for a second it seemed to me that I scored it in the wrong part. Okay, so that's what we have, and so let's burnish all the score lines. Including our 1/2 inch line, fold line. Okay. All right, so now that's what we have here. And now we need to get rid of some pieces that we don't need. We don't need, I'll use marker to, so we don't need these bits, but we do need this. So this will create a tab that will go inside and will actually hold our lid closed. So we need to get rid of these pieces on all four sides. So let's do it. But we will create the tab that will straight away. So we get rid. So we notch this one a little bit. Then we get rid of this one. And let's also notch this one. So that's what you need to get. Okay, so we got rid of these pieces and we also notched into, and this is what will go inside and will hold our lid together. So I will cut off the rest of the lids and I will get back to you. Okay, so here what we have, so we have these tabs, right, notched. See, so they're a little bit sort of narrow to the end. Okay, now we just need to glue this lid together. Where we need to apply adhesive, we need to apply adhesive on these tabs and also on these flaps. Okay, so let's do it again. Well, this giant 80G is probably not the best one. You can obviously use liquid adhesive, but I'm just doing this for the sake of time. And as I said, we need to apply adhesive here as well. So okay, all right, so now we adhere the tabs. And then we close this, our reinforcement flaps. Okay, so our lid is ready. So now I will decorate it quickly with a piece of corrugated cardstock and with this dimensional star. I shared how to make this star in a quick video like a couple days ago. I will leave the link in the end of this one. So I will decorate it and I will be back and show you some other ideas how to decorate this box. Okay, thank you for your patience. So here what we have. So we have a simple box just with patterned paper, right? And you just tie it with a cute ribbon, appropriate ribbon, and it will make a lovely box and a great way to use your stash of your paper, which, let's admit, we all have a lot. So here's our box that we made. I adhered the star with multi-medium matte adhesive. I just applied this adhesive with my finger on the star, but you have to be patient and you have to hold it and you give it time to dry, and it won't be, of course, I mean, it will be quite fragile, right? And but it holds well, and it will survive Christmas Eve, I guess. So, and I also added some splatters with Heidi Swap Color Shine Gold, just for a little bit more interest. And I sprayed my star with gold spray paint, and so to add a little bit more gold to this box, I added these splatters. So this box, and this box is I use a wreath stamp and die from Pink Fresh Studio, which is Great Joy set. So they have coordinating die and stamp. So I just stamped the set in craft cardstock and craft ink, painted it with just red watercolor, punched a hole in the wreath, and just tied a bow. And again, I think quite a festive box. All right, thank you for your time. I hope you like this idea and we'll give it a try. As I said, I will leave a couple links to a couple videos that you might be interested in, how to make this star, and one more video on how to make boxes, and I will leave the link to Sam's video, which inspired this one, basically, in the bottom. Sorry, in the description of this one. So have a great day and have fun crafting and creating pretty packaging for the gifts for your loved ones. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be happy to share more inspiration with you. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Bye.